Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a mobile suites. This is by DRV. This is a 44 Houston. Now mobile suites has always been known for building high-end luxury fifth wheels that are basically a house on wheels. Let's take a look inside at some of the beautiful features. First thing you'll notice, large residential fridge. Extra large oven, and 4 burners for your cooking, just like you'd have at home. Solid surface countertops throughout, large drawers, deep storage, massive island with LED accents, double large stainless steel sink, and you can just see the appointments and the quality that abound in this unit. Flat screen TV, sound bar, fireplace, residential style furniture throughout, home theater seats, and then if you're traveling and working at the same time, a great little workstation here overall. Now let's pan back so you can take a look at the LED light strips within the ceiling and the beautiful ceiling sconce that's been built in, plus that extra tall height that a fifth wheel gives you. Dinette with a pull-out table, and again, residential style, not the small RV chairs, big, luxurious chairs. As we continue our walk through, behind this door is, let's call it our first floor bath. So we have our toilet, raised sink, LED lighting here, medicine cabinet. And at this time, I'd like to say, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It greatly helps out the channel and I appreciate it. Washer dryer on board, just like at home. You're going to need that for your longer trips. And as we make our way forward into the bedroom, king size bed on a slide. Across from it, your TV and wardrobe, which is on a mini slide. As we walk forward, we have a front bath, again, elegantly appointed, big mirrors, medicine cabinet, extra large shower with the corner stool, fiberglass surround, just a thing of beauty. And then finally, right at the front is our literally walk-in closet. We have a safe to keep your valuables, lots of hanging storage because you can never have enough of that. A great little area here to put wallets, etc. while you're sleeping at night, and just a ton of storage throughout. Now, this is a tri-axle fifth wheel, so you're carrying a little more weight. But if you're doing some full-time living in this, traveling for work, this is really a beautiful fifth wheel to be able to do it. And that is something that Mobile Suites has always been known for, is its finishing levels. Even down to, look at your slide out and the way it's been finished. No more carpeting. We're seeing this type of floor finishing in the high-end B conversion vans like the Airstreams, etc. So I'll just pan back so you can get a great look of this overall fifth wheel that could be a full home replacement if you needed it and or needed to travel. So this is Bruno from RVing TV. Thank you for viewing the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you to you, our subscribers, for making the channel what it is. Check back soon for more video walkthroughs of great RV products from great names like DRV, Mobile Suites, Integra Coach, Thor, and so on. Thanks everyone. Take care and be safe.